Are you wearing it? Melody, are you wearing it, Ben? Why,
She's
Melody?
saying more. Give her more.
Okay. Yum. Melody, yummy. Yummy. Yum. Don't make a mess. I'm not making a mess.
You're not, but she is. It's okay. Babies are supposed to be messy. No, no. Don't let her get it. Melody, you like avocados, huh?
You like it. She likes it, Rennie.
Do you love your little sister?
Yes.
Give her more. Give her more.
No more? No
Give
more?
her more.
Oh, okay. I'm feeding Melody.
All right, we'll feed her then. Hurry up. Hurry up. Feed her, feed her, feed her, feed her.
No more?